Welcome to Rome Tech. If you enjoy this content, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. We're diving into the fascinating intersection of memory and technology today. Have you ever wished you could perfectly recall every important detail, every conversation, every experience? Imagine a world where forgotten birthdays, missed appointments, and lost memories become relics of the past. This concept, once relegated to the realm of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a reality thanks to advancements in memory augmentation technology. Various research initiatives and companies are exploring innovative ways to enhance human memory. These range from sophisticated brain-computer interfaces that directly interact with neural pathways to cutting-edge software applications designed to optimize cognitive function. Imagine a future where studying for exams becomes significantly easier, where recalling complex information is instantaneous, and where the debilitating effects of age-related memory decline are mitigated. This technology holds immense potential, not only for individual empowerment but also for societal progress. Think about the implications for education, healthcare, and professional fields. A world with enhanced memory capacity could revolutionize learning, enable earlier diagnosis and treatment of cognitive impairments, and unlock new levels of productivity and innovation in the workplace. However, alongside the excitement and potential benefits, important ethical considerations must be addressed. Questions surrounding data privacy, security, and access to these memory-enhancing technologies need careful examination. Who will control these technologies, and how can we ensure equitable access? Furthermore, what are the potential societal consequences of a world where perfect recall becomes the norm? Could it lead to increased social inequalities, or potentially even manipulation and control? These are complex questions that require thoughtful discussion and careful consideration. As we venture further into this uncharted territory, it's crucial to maintain a balanced perspective, acknowledging both the transformative potential and the potential risks of memory augmentation technology. The future of memory is being written now, and it's imperative that we engage in a meaningful dialogue to shape its trajectory responsibly. Join the conversation in the comments below and let us know your thoughts on the future of memory enhancement.